Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Today's first word is what to do. In Gujarati we say શું કરવું, શું કરવું. Okay, for do Gujarati we say કરવું, and hence this is a question. We say શું કરવું, શું કરવું. Okay, whatever sentence start with questionary word. For example, what. Okay, what, we say શું. If you see, for what in Gujarati, when you have to start question, you should use શું. For example, what to do, શું કરવું. What to ask, શું પૂછવું. Okay, for asking in Gujarati we say પૂછવું. Alright, પૂછવું. So for this questionary sentence or phrases we say શું પૂછવું, શું પૂછવું. What to eat, for eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. To eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. And because this is questionary started with what, we say શું ખાવું, શું ખાવું. And when it is when in Gujarati we say ક્યારે. Okay, for when in Gujarati we say ક્યારે. And to come in Gujarati we say આવવું. To come in Gujarati we say આવવું. That's it. When to come in Gujarati we say ક્યારે આવવું, ક્યારે આવવું, ક્યારે આવવું. I am repeating quickly. What to do, શું કરવું, શું કરવું, કરવું. Okay, what to ask, શું પૂછવું. What to eat, શું ખાવું. When to come, ક્યારે આવવું. Now let's understand all these words one by one with sentences. First one is what to do. For what to do in Gujarati we say શું કરવું. Okay, now let's see the sentence we are having is so this is pretty simple. What should I do now? What should I do now? In Gujarati we say હવે હું શું કરું. Okay, હવે હું શું કરું. It means હવે means now. For now in Gujarati we say હવે, and for I we say હું. And like we are saying what to do, so we'll say શું કરું. Okay, what to do in Gujarati we say શું કરવું. Okay, and for this sentence we'll say શું કરું. What should I do now? હવે હું શું કરું. Okay, try to understand the word. Okay, don't worry about sentences. That practice we will keep doing. The next one is what to ask, શું પૂછવું. Okay, what to ask in Gujarati we say શું પૂછવું, શું પૂછવું, પૂછવું. Okay, just focus on how I pronounced. What should I ask or what to ask. You see, it's pretty simple. There is no much more on that, but I'm giving these sentences so it will helpful for you to understand the word better. What should I ask? હું શું પૂછું. Okay, શું પૂછું. In Gujarati we say what and should I ask. So if you want to say what should I ask, or you simply want to say what to ask, you can say શું પૂછું. શું પૂછું. Okay, પૂછું means asking. If I want to say I am asking, in Gujarati you can say હું પૂછું છું. Okay, but when this is questionary, we say શું પૂછું, what I ask. Okay, in that way. The next one is what to eat. What to eat, we say શું ખાવું. What to eat, શું ખાવું. For eating in Gujarati we say ખાવું. Okay, but if it is questionary sentence start with what, we'll use શું at the starting. Now let's see this sentence. What should I eat today? હું આજે શું ખાઉં. See, હું આજે. Okay, for I in Gujarati we say હું, and for today we say આજે. And for this questionary phrases we say what should I eat today. What, then whatever you want to eat, what should I eat, we say શું ખાવું. We say શું ખાવું. Okay, pretty simple. શું ખાવું, what should I eat, હું આજે શું ખાઉં, like that. The next one is when to come. When to come, in Gujarati we say ક્યારે આવવું. ક્યારે આવવું. Now let's see the sentence we are having is when should I come. See, this is pretty simple. Just try to understand words. Okay, that will helpful for you in sentences. When should I come, હું ક્યારે આવું. Okay, when to come, in Gujarati we say ક્યારે આવવું. Okay, ક્યારે આવવું. If I want to say, for example, there is some party or something and I want to ask when should I come in party, હું પાર્ટીમાં ક્યારે આવું. હું પાર્ટીમાં ક્યારે આવું. Okay, simply you can ask like this. Or if it is some ceremony or some event or something, you can simply use that word હું ઇવેન્ટમાં ક્યારે આવું. ક્યારે આવું. For when we say ક્યારે. For what, okay, for when we say ક્યારે. And for what we say શું. And for any phrases you want to join with this questionary word, you can simply use it. So I hope these words understand in better way, and if you have still doubt you can send me your question in comment box. I will help you out definitely. Now we'll meet again with a new video with a new topic. Till then, subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn Gujarati, and don't forget to like. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.